Happy to meet again, eco-friends. Today, I visited a friend's house who cultivates grapes in a narrow alley at their home. As you can see, this alley looks lush and cool, with grapevines crawling overhead and along the sides. The grapevines here are covered with a UV roof, so even during the rainy season, the leaves don't get damaged by fungal infections. It's not yet the fruiting season, but due to constant rain, the grapevines continue to grow and absorb nutrients from the rain-moistened soil. Even during the axil break, rest period, flowers sometimes appear. Look, there are even fruits from the shoot cuttings. Shoot cuttings are actually used to retain nutrients in the buds before fruiting. For the soil mixture, my friend uses bamboo humus, or decomposed bamboo roots, which helps the grape roots thrive and absorb nutrients optimally. There are various grape varieties planted here: round, oval, black, and red ones. However, it's still not the right time for fruiting. Alright, that's all for today's story. I hope this inspires you to green your surroundings. Let's keep our environment sustainable. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. See you in the next green adventure. Bye-bye.